Hi guys, welcome to episode 5 of Lifetime Homestead. So guys, I'm gonna take you around and show you what am I going to do today. So today my plan is basic. Finish this window and the other one in the other room and prepare all the walls for painting. Okay, so remove all those hangers, those cables, also whatever we have over here that needs to be spackled. I got a little hole in the ceiling. Okay, so basically preparation for the paint. Also this room needs to be all prepared. I bought paint already, and this window needs to be finished also. Okay, got nothing. So I bought all this material yesterday. Those two I will return into Home Depot. 34, I believe, dollars one piece of that lumber. Can you imagine? But I found in Lowe's, this one is 27, I believe. And I didn't need that long. So this is just beautiful. I'm gonna save some money, right, in here. Okay, that's it. So this is what we're doing today. I'm trimming right now this window, and probably next week, if everything is done, Jorge will come and remove this ugly carpet. Okay, so this carpet will go out and he's gonna put new beautiful carpet up to this stairs in here. See, ugliness. Ooh. But steps are good, so he's gonna take this carpet with him, and that's it. So that's the plan, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, okay, and like this video, because this is real like pain in some place, you know, to walk with the camera, and you know, I'm not used to it, because otherwise that window would be done already like half hour ago, but I have to, you know, record that for you guys. So please, 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 okay, do that. Thank you. So yesterday I went to the store and I bought, you know, this piece of lumber. Okay, but I bought it. This one is 3.5, which I need exactly. But yesterday I bought it a little bit shorter. I mean narrower, and I have to, you know, I had to go back and return it. But today we got all right pieces, which I'm glad I have. So first of all, we did this bottom seal piece. Now I'm going to do the top piece, okay, and then side pieces. So naturally the side piece will hold this top piece. So I guess that's the right way to do it. Let's mark it. Oh, I got a little spider in here. Okay, so everything. And I'm so frustrated that I forgot my my angle at home. Otherwise it would be easy to mark, you know, straight line. But right now I have to improvise. So guys, I'm using this piece of wood left from that window seal. I'm gonna put it here like that and mark it. Okay, that's it. This is all we need. The thing is, this doesn't have to be like a perfectly straight line, because it's going to be covered by vertical piece, so we don't really care about that. Okay guys, bear with me, I'm gonna show you something. So this window seal piece, I need to screw it in. Okay, and I don't want any screws to be exposed over here. So my plan is, this is the side piece, it will go like that. So I got over here like 3/4 of hidden space. So I'm gonna drill in here probably for 2 screws, and I'm gonna put it on the side so this stays nice and stable. And also I'm gonna put one piece on the bottom, so see, it looks like that. Okay guys, so let's take a look. See, so this is my inside trim. Will look gorgeous, right? Beautiful. I like that wood texture and the wood smell. Nice. Let's continue. And like I said, see, this piece will hide screws on the bottom and also will support this one on the top. And then trim goes right outside of that, and it will be a beautiful window, I believe. So guys, unfortunately I have to go back to Home Depot, okay, because this trim is too narrow and I don't like it, because look how much see how much unfinished surface I have over here, and this trim covers only, see, this much. Look, got like 1 inch of wood exposed, and it would be okay, but on this side it's even worse, because if I put trim like here, it's gonna be big hole, like exposed. So I have to buy a little bit wider piece. Anyway, so I will return this piece and I will return those two, and that's like, I believe it's like close to $100 for these two pieces and this bundle. So that's good. So I'll take $100, and I guess I'm going to Lowe's this time, because I found it like that piece was much cheaper in Lowe's. So I go back to Lowe's and try to find trim in there. Okay. So guys, I'm back from Home Depot. I bought this kind of MDF plank, and it's coming out good. Look at that, nice and clean look, right? I didn't nail it yet. I did this side and over here. Okay, so right now I'm gonna do top piece, and that's it. It's gonna be nice. And I just saw deer outside. I know they left. They left, but 2 young deer were here. Voila! Okay guys, so look at that. Nice and clean, right? Beautiful trim. I'm gonna make it also one for the bottom. And I bought some nice little pieces. I'll show you right now. Look what I did. Beautiful. Yeah, sorry for that mess, okay? But they're changing carpet next week. So guys, you know what I mean. So this will be right here. Look, nice Greek accent for my window. I guess it's gonna be beautiful. Let me nail it. Let me nail it right now. There. Oh yeah, baby. And a big shout out to my subscriber Maya. She's watching me all the time. Thank you. I siliconed everything and see, this is how it looks like. And also I did the bottom plate. I don't know, I guess came out good. So I'm going to the next one, and let me talk about how much did it cost, right? Because everybody probably wondering, because this is the most exciting topic to talk about, actually. So those two windows, for me, I did it myself. So the windows, two windows, around $560. $560. This is American Craftsman window. That's guys, that's the cheapest one. Okay, I could find. This is huge window. Okay, it's four. So this is me compared to the window. See, that's a pretty like big window, right? And but it's beautiful. You know, if you take care of your window, it will take care of you. That's all I can say. Okay, don't smash it. Just and of course if it's installed the right way, see, opens up, nice, beautiful. I can like go up to my roof from here. Okay, so 500, I said something dollars, right? And all the trim, I still have some trim over here. Okay, all this stuff and whatever I installed in other room probably was $350. So I would say I'm in $900 to replace two windows, okay, with all the trim and you know, nails, screws, whatever. Right? So I think this is pretty good price. So this is it, guys. Of course, I'm gonna also do all the walls because it's a lot of imperfections like this one. See over here? I have to remove this hanger over here, also all the screws, and touch up all those little holes, you know, imperfections, a lot of stuff. And also I have to clean it because look, see, they got spider webs in here all over the place. So yeah, it's still a lot of work, but you know, I'll probably be done with it, with all the major stuff in here. And tomorrow I'm gonna paint it all white, beautiful white, so it's nice and bright in here. So windows are done. Okay, next step, I'm washing walls, preparing them to paint. I did some job for carpet guy. I I couldn't leave it tucked in over there because I need to paint that wall all the way to the bottom. Plus there's a lot of stuff on the bottom, so I'm vacuuming everything as I go. Okay, also I removed all the baseboard. I'm gonna vacuum everything so there's no dog hair left in here. Oh my god, it's so much dog hair in here. It's unbelievable. And of course that's why house stinks that much, okay? If you guys have a dog, please clean out after it, okay? If you can't clean out after dog, then you don't deserve to have a dog, okay? You're a dog yourself. Well.